Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. For centuries, it has captivated our imaginations and fueled our deepest fears. A vast, enigmatic stretch of ocean where ships vanish without a trace and planes disappear from the sky. We're talking, of course, about the Bermuda Triangle. But what exactly is the Bermuda Triangle? It's not an officially recognized geographical area, but rather a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Its vertices are typically said to be Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. This area is one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world, with countless vessels and aircraft passing through it daily, connecting the Americas with Europe and the Caribbean. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle didn't just appear overnight. Its roots stretch back centuries, with some even citing Christopher Columbus's journals, where he reported strange compass readings and a great flame of fire falling into the sea. But the real buzz began in the 20th century. One of the most frequently cited early disappearances is that of the USS Cyclops in 1918, a massive Navy collier with over 300 souls aboard, which vanished without a trace between Barbados and Chesapeake Bay. No distress signal, no wreckage. However, the term Bermuda Triangle itself wasn't coined until 1964 by writer Vincent Gaddis in a pulp magazine article. It was further popularized in the 1970s, most notably by Charles Berlitz's best-selling book, The Bermuda Triangle, which detailed numerous disappearances and attributed them to paranormal or extraterrestrial forces. This book truly propelled the mystery into global consciousness, sparking countless theories from alien abductions to mythical lost cities like Atlantis. Let's delve into some of the most famous cases that fuel the Bermuda Triangle legend. Perhaps the most iconic is Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers departed from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a routine training mission. After several hours, their compasses malfunctioned, and radio transmissions became confused, with the flight leader reportedly saying, "Everything is wrong. It looks like we are entering white water. We are completely lost." The squadron, along with a Martin Mariner flying boat sent to rescue them, vanished. No wreckage was ever found. This incident remains a cornerstone of the mystery. Then there's the Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963. This large tanker, carrying molten sulfur, disappeared with 39 crew members somewhere off the coast of Florida. Despite an extensive search, only a few life preservers and fragments of debris were ever recovered. And consider the British South American Airways aircraft Star Tiger in 1948 and its sister plane Star Ariel in 1949, both vanishing over the region while en route to Bermuda. Their disappearances were eerily similar, with no distress calls or wreckage, adding to the mystique of the area. These and many other incidents became the bedrock of the Bermuda Triangle myth, leaving families and investigators with haunting questions and no clear answers. While the allure of the supernatural is strong, scientists and experts offer more grounded explanations for the disappearances. It's important to remember that the vast majority of ships and planes traverse this area without incident. Firstly, geographic location and traffic. As we mentioned, this is an incredibly busy region. With a high volume of traffic, statistically, a higher number of incidents are bound to occur compared to less traveled areas. The sheer number of transits makes disappearances, while tragic, not statistically improbable over decades. Secondly, environmental factors. The Gulf Stream. This powerful, fast-moving ocean current can quickly carry away wreckage, making recovery extremely difficult. A ship or plane could go down, and within hours, its debris could be spread over hundreds of miles. Weather. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for sudden and violent storms, hurricanes, and waterspouts. These can appear rapidly and with little warning, posing a severe threat to both air and sea vessels. A rogue wave, an unusually large and unpredictable wave, could also swamp a ship in moments. Geomagnetic anomalies. While not unique to the Bermuda Triangle, some compass variations are known to occur due to localized magnetic anomalies. These can cause navigation issues, especially for older instruments, potentially leading vessels off course. The fact that the true north and magnetic north can align in parts of the triangle is often cited, but this is a well-understood phenomenon that navigators account for. Methane hydrates. One fascinating scientific theory involves vast deposits of methane hydrate on the ocean floor. If these deposits are disturbed, perhaps by seismic activity, large bubbles of methane gas could rapidly ascend. A ship caught in such a bubble would lose buoyancy and sink almost instantly. For aircraft, the sudden release of gas could cause atmospheric turbulence or even flameouts if engines ingest the gas. While this is a plausible mechanism, direct evidence linking it to specific disappearances in the triangle is still lacking. Thirdly, human error and mechanical failure. The most common causes of accidents globally are human error and mechanical failure. Poor navigation, inexperienced crews, misjudging weather conditions, faulty equipment, all of these play a significant role in maritime and aviation incidents worldwide, and the Bermuda Triangle is no exception. So, is the Bermuda Triangle truly a paranormal hotspot? When you look at the raw statistics and compare the number of incidents to the sheer volume of traffic passing through, the mystery begins to dissipate. Organizations like the U.S. Coast Guard and marine insurance companies do not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an area with an unusually high number of unexplained disappearances. In fact, many reports indicate that the rate of incidents is comparable to other equally busy and storm-prone regions of the world's oceans. The danger often lies not in supernatural forces, but in the inherent risks of sea and air travel compounded by harsh weather and human factors. Furthermore, many of the unexplained cases from Berlitz's book and other sources have since been thoroughly investigated and found to have perfectly logical, albeit tragic, explanations, often involving severe weather, structural failure, or pilot/navigator error. Some records were simply inaccurate or exaggerated. The Bermuda Triangle, while perhaps not the realm of monsters or aliens, continues to hold a powerful grip on our imagination. Its enduring allure speaks to our natural fascination with the unknown, our desire to find meaning in inexplicable events. However, understanding the scientific and statistical realities helps us appreciate the true forces at play, the immense power of nature, the complexities of navigation, and the ever-present human element. The true mystery isn't about what paranormal force caused a disappearance, but rather the unique set of environmental and human circumstances that can lead to such tragic outcomes in any part of our vast and unpredictable oceans. So, the next time you hear about the Bermuda Triangle, remember the science, the statistics, and the human stories behind the legend. It's a testament not to a supernatural curse, but to the fascinating and sometimes perilous dance between humanity and the natural world. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on the Bermuda Triangle? Share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.